When installing the Vario wall, we recommend always starting with the corner unit to avoid unnecessary cuts. The right-hand corner is the one on the right side of the pallet, and the left-hand corner is the one on the left side of the pallet. It is essential to always cross a right-hand corner with a left-hand corner when building corners. In this case, a right-hand corner is placed on the second row. To assemble the next row, place a corner in the opposite direction, in this case a left-hand corner, and cross the units. It is important that the tongue is always on the outside of the wall. Continue the installation by fitting the tongues into the grooves of the next wall units. Corner units can also be installed in the wall. To install an outside corner, proceed in the same way as for the inside corner by crossing the units from row to row.